Our 4800 twin steer is our smaller twin steer product. It's a factory produced twin steer, one of the only factory produced models on the market today. It's designed for construction, heavy front load applications, cranes, dump bodies, applications where you need to spread that load on the ground. It's a fairly robust product on the Western Star chassis, designed with a 72-inch axle spacing on the front. The nice thing about a factory designed twin steer is it's warranted from one end to the other, and it's also designed so that all the components work together. Every time you add on a component to a truck that wasn't designed with it, you stand a chance of having issues. With this truck, the whole thing has been designed and works very well for years.
Does that mean you minimize tire scrub and you're able to get a truck that works better together?
Exactly, yeah. When it's all designed together, we do minimize the tire scrub. The steering is all geometrically correct so that the tires are both pointed the same. You don't get an oversteer on the rear tire. Yeah, it just works a lot better all the way around.
Now in the 4800, what type of power options are available in the 4800?
4800 is available with our DD13 with horsepower from 350 to 470. So it's got a pretty wide power range. From there we have the 4900 which goes to the DD15 horsepower, and then we go right up to a 6900 with a 44-ton front that handles the 600 horsepower DD16. So.
Okay. And I understand you have a 4700 that was introduced last year that fits into the lower end of that market?
Yeah, we have the entry-level 4700. It's on a Daimler Common chassis, common with the Freightliner product. It gets us into more high-volume applications. It's a great truck, and it's designed for that lower price point that a lot of people are looking for. Western Stars have historically been known as a very high-cost truck. We do that for a reason. It takes more money to build a good truck, and you get what you pay for. However, with the Daimler Common chassis, we get a good chassis, but we get to take advantage of the high-volume parts. So the more you build, the better price you get, and that's kind of where we've positioned the 4700 to compete down where we could never compete before.
What are the main advantages going with the Western Star trucks versus some of the competition? What are your points of difference versus the competition?
Our big advantages are the way we mount our cab. So we mount our cab outboard, and we use a tubular crossmember above the frame rail. What that does is it doesn't turn our cab into a strength component. The cab simply rides on that crossmember, and it's the reason for the Western Star ride and the length of time that this Western Star can handle rough things in the field. The cab is under no stress, therefore it never breaks down. So it's one of our big advantages. The other advantage is on the 4800 and 4900 is the Western Star chassis. We use stud fasteners on the frame with P-clips, steel P-clips. Everything is bound down tight. The truck is designed for 15 to 20 years life. What the dealers say is, you can never get those P-clips off. The good thing is you never have to. So we put that kind of extra build time and cost into the truck. You get it on the back end when that truck lasts you years longer than your other competitors. So.
Okay. Western Star historically has been known for a high degree of customization. What types of customization is available for customers?
We have a wide range. I think when you pile it all up, we have over 100,000 options you can put onto a Western Star. We do new options daily. Many of our options are all detailed in our new V2 Bodybuilder book. So if you go online to westernstar.com, you can download the book for free, and it gives you a good selection of what we can offer with this Western Star. Also, there's many custom applications that customers come to us with needs, and we meet the application and put the truck together for them. So.